not all rubber comes from trees. In fact, today most of the world's rubber is made not in forests, but in factories. Rubber exists in two great families, natural and synthetic. Both are elastomers, flexible, stretchable, resilient, but their origins and their behaviors are very different. Natural rubber begins as latex, the milky sap of the Hevea brasiliensis tree. For millennia, cultures across Central and South America tapped these trees with stone tools. Today, refined methods harvest it more sustainably. The latex is coagulated, dried, sometimes smoked, forming sheets of rubber that are tough, elastic, and incredibly strong under repeated stress. Its naturally uniform chains of polyisoprene give it outstanding elasticity and fatigue resistance. That's why natural rubber is still unmatched for applications like heavy-duty tires, bushings, and vibration mounts. But it has limits. Natural rubber degrades in oils and fuels, it cracks under ozone and heat, and because it's regionally grown, supply is vulnerable to disease, climate, and geopolitics. Synthetic rubber, by contrast, was born from crisis. When war cut off supplies, chemists turned to petrochemicals, refining monomers like butadiene and styrene to create substitutes. These new rubbers could be tailored to resist oil, fuels, heat, chemicals, or weathering. One key lies in polarity. Polar rubbers like NBR bond well with oils and fuels. Non-polar rubbers like EPDM resist water, ozone, and sunlight. This subtle chemical trait determines where each rubber thrives and where it fails. The diversity is vast. Some synthetics withstand over 200 degrees Celsius. Others are engineered for medical purity, chemical tanks, or high-speed fuel systems. Each is designed with a purpose. So, which one is better? Natural rubber is renewable, strong, and dynamic, but vulnerable to chemicals. Synthetic rubbers are engineered, durable, chemically stable, but built from fossil fuels. It isn't about which is best, it's about choosing the right rubber for the job, because that's how reliability is built, one compound at a time.